Coach Ryan Gregorio ng Pure Foods. Magandang umaga, Coach Ryan.
Magandang umaga rin po sa inyo at magandang umaga sa lahat ng nakikinig sa atin.
Coach, kamusta na po ang koponan pagkatapos ng hirap na final series against Santa Lucia?
Well, we're starting to practice today. We're trying to pick up the pieces again and hopefully prepare hard and strong enough in preparation for the next conference.
Speaking of preparing hard, we heard na meron na kayong import prospect. Kamusta po yung negosasyon nyo with Darius Rice?
Well, so far, wala pa pong confirmation. Yesterday, I received an email from the agent na sinasabing there's a big chance that he will get a clearance from Puerto Rico. But for as long as he's not here in the Philippines and he has not done the Pure Foods jersey unit.
Torneo.
Opo, he's still under contract, I think, up to, if I'm not mistaken, the 20th of March. And that is only the time that he can sign the contract that we have presented to him.
So, until March 20 pa pala yung paghihintay ninyo. And if ever lang na hindi matuloy itong kay Darius Rice, meron pa po ba kayong ibang prospect for reinforcement para sa inyong koponan?
Well, there are a lot of names. Meron pa po mga names na at the top of our list. But at this point kasi talagang yun ang pinagtutunguhan ko ng pansin. Talagang I believe is the right import for us. So, once I get no signal na hindi matutuloy siya, that's the only time that I will talk to other agents for possible import replacement.
Coach, para po sa kaalaman ng mga listeners natin dito sa Hoop Talk, ano po ba yung mga nakita sa credentials ni Darius Rice na naisip niyo na ito yung import na para sa koponan ng Pure Foods?
Well, for one kasi, I know it as a fact na in an import-laden conference, 70 or 80% will really depend on how good your import is. And based on his numbers, at least offensively, these are all staggering numbers that he has scored in top leagues like the NBBL, which is the NBA Developmental League of the National Basketball Association. He once scored 62 points together with 11 3-pointers. So, at least yung mga ganun, eye-popping stats yun. He can really take the league with storm. So, yun ang mga inaasahan ko po na magagawa dito. So basically, nakikita ko lang talaga yung kanyang offensive prowess to at least alleviate or share the scoring cudgels na ngayon talagang two-pronged attack lang po kami, James and Kirby. So hopefully with his arrival, it can be a three-way attack.
Aside for sa paghahanap ninyo ng import, Coach, meron pa ba kayong plano na magdagdag sa lineup ng koponan? Or sumabak sa mga trade negotiation against other teams?
Alam mo po, yung trade negotiation na yan, that is always ongoing. Hindi po pwedeng sabihin wala, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin hindi mangyayari dahil if it is beneficial to our team, why not? Ganun naman po parati yung position ko ron. And, but as we talk right now, wala pa talaga pong trade on the table. At I thought we really had a good conference for us. We won 19 games and lost 13, so we're just one way away from bagging the All-Filipino title. So, hindi pa masyadong concern ngayon yung All-Filipino line, yung All-Filipino crew ko po. But again, if something comes along, we're always open to that.
Coach, kamusta na po si Brandon Cablay and si Omancy Rodriguez?
Sa ngayon, Omancy will miss the duration of the import-laden conference, and I don't think Brandon is ready to practice with us. It will take another 4 weeks for him to start running and start working out with the team. So, wala po masyadong progress as far as yung bilis nilang makabalik into tip-top form is concerned.
Ganun din po ba si Brandon Cablay?
Yes, si Brandon Cablay, I just talked to him this morning. We had our this is our first day of practice kasi. So, I talked to them as a team, and I talked to Brandon. Ang sinabi niya sa akin, Coach, it will take another 4 to 5 weeks for me to start practicing again. So, that could be at least in the first half of the conference bago siya makalaro. So, I expect him to be ready siguro mga second
Coach, meron ba kayong mga practice players na nasa koponan?
Sa ngayon, wala po. So, hindi pa napapag-isipan pa. But siguro I'll start considering it depending on the health of my players. So, ngayon, 2 na wala. Titingnan ko if we can still come up with 12. Kasi ang magic number ko talaga sa practice sessions, 12. So, kung hindi umabot doon, baka kailangan kumuha ng mga practice players.
Okay, meron tayong text question dito from Joe Breaker. Sabi niya, to Coach Ryan, mas kailangan ng Pure Foods ang big man? Hindi pala question to, no? Comment. Sabi niya, Coach Ryan, mas kailangan ng Pure Foods ng big man import kasi sa lahat ng team sa PBA, kayo lang ang Air 21 or kayo lang ng Air 21 ang walang 6'9" na local player.
That is correct. It's really hard to get a 6'9" local player, and it was obvious in our series against Santa Lucia that is the position that is a little bit shallow on our position. So, yes, that is a correct comment, but we have other things in mind as far as being competitive in the league is concerned. And I believe that we have been competitive in at least the last 5 conferences, even if we don't have legitimate centers. We have one in Romel Adukul, and that made us really effective this conference. But if you take a look at the last 5 conferences, we made it to the finals 3 times out of the last 5, and even without at all players. So I think we can still look for at least specific strengths that we can come up with. If we are not big enough, tall enough, I think one thing going for us is we can any team. So, ganun po ang aking perception at position sa mga pananaw.
Okay, Coach. Kamusta na po sina Kirby at saka si James Yap? Kasama niyo na ba sila ngayon sa unang araw ng practice ninyo?
Yes, nandito sila ngayon. Kompleto naman yung team namin at hindi naman sila nagsitabaan, and we're ready to rock and roll. Ika nga na.
Okay, at ang unang laro ninyo ay against Magnolia Beverage Masters kagad, no? Sa April 2 sa Big Dome. So, Coach, imbitahan niyo po yung mga tagapakinig natin dito sa Hoop Talk, and of course, yung inyong mensahe para sa mga fans ng Pure Foods.
Well, unang-una, marami pong salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta at tuluyang sumusuporta sa aming kupunan at pati na rin sa PBA. At sa darating na panibagong konferensya, umaasa po kami na ganun pa rin po ang tulong, pagdarasal na may sa inyong pinakamamahal na kupunan. At makakaasa po kayo na ganun pa rin po ang sipag at ang tiyaga at ang determinasyon upang makabalik sa finals. At with the proper breaks and better decision making, hopefully we can go all the way this time.
Okay, maraming salamat, Coach Ryan Gregorio, and sa mga susunod pa pong araw, makikibalita kami tungkol dun sa inyong pagpirma nga dito kay Darius Rice.
Maraming pong salamat din sa oras na ipagkaloob niyo sa akin, at maraming pong salamat at nabibigyan niyo po ako ng espasyo para makausap ang mga taga-suporta ng Pure Foods, at pati na rin po kayo. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Coach Ryan Gregorio, ang head coach ng Pure Foods TJ Giants.